Hey guys, I'll walk you through how to change your Amazon shipping address after placing an order. So first, go to Amazon website. If you're using your phone, it's best to open Amazon in your browser. Now, once you're on the site, log into your account using the top right corner. And after logging in, hover over your name and click on your orders from the drop-down menu or orders. So tap on that. Now, find the order that you want to update. So keep in mind you'll need to change the address as soon as possible, ideally before Amazon starts processing the order and definitely before it's shipped out. Next, on the right hand side of the order, click on View and Edit Order, and this will open up your order details, including your current delivery address. Now, scroll down a bit and you'll see an option to change the address. Just click on that, and from there, you can either select an existing address from your address book or add a completely new one. If you're choosing from Save Addresses, just select the one you want and click Ship to this address. Now, if you haven't ordered anything yet and you just want to change your address, you can hover over Account and List and click on Account right here. Now, once you click that, just scroll down and look for your addresses at the left side. Click on that. Now, in here, you'll see your addresses. Choose the address that you want to change, then tap on Edit right here and add the new details. Now, once done, you can check this box right here to make this address your default. And then once done, you can just tap on Save Changes. And that's how you can change your address in Amazon. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.